If you're working with large code bases and you're trying to use AI, one thing that is easy to forget, but very important, is so if you use Cursor or OpenAI's Codex, so these are coding environments, every single time you start a new thread, it's the same as dropping someone new into the project and they needs to learn the entire project, figure out what to do and how to do it, and then go do it well. That is very hard to do even for humans, and these are not models yet at the level of human. You actually need to rethink a little bit how you use these models for exactly that reason. So there's many techniques, from like the way you do planning and research with the model for at least larger features that touch multiple files. I can do another video on that if you'd like, just ask me in the comments. One thing that helps a lot is to create a folder where you can build like some markdown files or some text files where you're building a memory for the model. Basically, you're creating an understanding of what decisions were made, why certain things were decided that way, why they are the way they are, or just the fact that you want them that way. So there are some things like this where you can have the agents file for Codex, but that's a single file. I'm referring to having a folder with more decisions and maybe even hierarchical, where you just have like certain sections of the code being explained, what they are, etc. It's a bit like documentation, but aimed at the model. But you can use the model to update it as well. So it's to create its own memory and understanding. Basically, the model has zero memory, so you're creating its own little brain in this folder. This will increase the quality over time, but in the beginning it does take some effort to set up, but hopefully it helps. Bye.